Hold on, ladies. There's a knot in the chain. Let me fix it real quick. Hold on, guys. My dummy. I'm so dumb. I forgot to put the shoulder straps on. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Your shoulder straps. They're right behind you. You gotta pull them on down. Hold on, guys. It's showing empty. I think I know what's wrong. It ain't got no gas in it. Hold on. Something wrong with the thingamadoodle. Let me check it out real quick. Something's wrong with your seatbelt. I gotta come check it. Check the safety manual. Hold on, I got that manual over here.